Forget what you think you know about ancient life. Because sharks, they're way older than trees. Yep, let that sink in. Sharks ruled the oceans 50 million years before the first tree even existed. When insects didn't even fly yet, sharks were already hunting. And here's the twist. Trees came way later. So when you look at a shark, you're seeing a relic. It survived the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs, ice ages, continental shifts, and it's still here, silent, deadly, unchanged. Some modern sharks look exactly like their fossil ancestors. Trees, they didn't even survive every extinction. But sharks, they just kept swimming. That fin in the water is older than the forest behind you. Ancient, unstoppable, alive. Like this? Hit the like button, drop a shark emoji, and subscribe for more facts that bend your brain.